Okay, happy May 5th. I'm sorry for the confusion, guys. I know I probably said we were going to have a meeting on Monday, but I wasn't able to do it. So we'll have a Zoom meeting at a regular time, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I might have to cancel Thursday's Zoom, but we'll see how this week goes. But for sure, there is a Zoom at 11:30 on Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so for homework, I told you you did not have to do this or this, but you did have to do this page. Well, today's homework, we're going to go back and we're going to finish the student handout 2. So you should have completed the homework assignment. So now we're just going to complete A, B, C, D, and if you go here, E, F, G, and H. And I'm going to do some of the homework problems just so you could kind of get used to what it is. So it says solve each of the problems in the hashtags below. For a challenge, find the sum of each hashtag. So I'm actually just going to do, I'll just pick this one. I'll pick this one and I'll work it out for you so you could kind of take a look at it. So let's start. Hold on a second. Let me zoom that and move that over. Excuse me, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so let's clear our drawings. Okay, well, the first one's pretty easy. You don't even need to worry about negative or positive. It's just 10 minus 5, and of course, that one is 5. Okay, here we go. For the next one, we talked about this, right? I always like to do this. I always like to change the minus to plus and then add a negative sign to the second integer. So it would look like this. Okay, so negative 6 plus negative 9. Well, I could do that. I have 6 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have 9 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 15 negatives. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Remember what we do here, we change this to a plus and then change the sign. So this becomes negative 1 plus a negative 12. Well, of course I could do that. I'm going to have 12 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then one more is 13 negatives. So that's going to be negative 13. Okay, remember what I do. I change the minus to plus and then change the sign to negative. So that means now I am going to erase these, and I'm going to show you if I have 13 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and I have 9 positives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And notice how I line them up. Why do I line them up? Because then I could just erase them, because if you have a positive and a negative, they just kind of cross each other out. And how many do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 what? 4 negatives. So that's a minus 4 is that answer. Now, if you didn't want to draw these out, remember our rule. If the signs are different, you subtract. So 13 minus 9 is 4, and the sign that goes in front is always the biggest number. Okay, let's continue. So again, I remember I changed this from a minus to a plus, and I changed this sign. This sign's a negative, so what do I make it? A positive. Okay, so if I have positive 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I have 2 negatives, I could see that. Well, these guys cross each other out, these guys cross each other out, and how many positives do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's a plus 5. Now I don't have to put that plus there, always remember that. Okay, here we go. 11 minus negative 3, remember my rule, I change that to a plus. I change that sign to a plus. It's just 11 plus 3. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 goes there. Okay. Remember my rule. I change my minus to a plus and then change the sign of the second integer. And that's negative 5 plus a positive 5. Well, you might want to guess that one, but I could draw it because it's fun to draw, right? So let me draw that one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 5 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These cross out, 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 and I am left with 0. Okay? 4 minus 12. Be careful not to make it 12 minus 4. That means I have 4 things and I take away 12. So I'm going to make this a plus and make that a negative. And that means signs are different. If signs are different, of course, that means I subtract, and 12 minus 4 is 8. But who wins? The negative sign wins because 12 is much bigger than 4. The absolute value of 12 is bigger than 4. Okay, 15 minus 8. I don't have to play with signs there. I know what 15 minus 8 is. That's just a 7. And those are my answers. That wasn't too bad, was it? Okay, so for today, you're going to go back and you're going to do A, B, C, D on student handout 2. And then don't forget, oops, did I not take a picture of that? Don't forget, you also have to do, let me make sure that you guys get that, E, F, and G. I'll take a picture of it right now. Okay, so it's this also. You're going to do E, F, G, and H. If you have questions, please, please, please come to today's Zoom. I want to see you guys anyway, so come. All right, have a great day. Bye, guys.